Have you ever had the feeling that your choices are not really yours? That every decision, every thought, every single step of your life is already written in some great cosmic book? And what if I told you that today, thanks to the most powerful computers ever created by humans, we might be just one step away from discovering the truth? We are about to explore how quantum physics, with its mysteries and paradoxes, is offering us a tool to test one of humanity's oldest and deepest questions. Are we truly free? Stay with me until the end, because what we will discover could forever change the way you see yourself and the entire universe. Before we begin this journey, I ask you for a small but fundamental support. Every contribution is the fuel that allows us to continue producing independent information. The existence of free will is one of the greatest challenges for science and philosophy. If you love free scientific outreach that is not afraid to ask uncomfortable questions and explore unknown territories, consider subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell. It is an idea deeply rooted in our experience, yet it clashes with the deterministic vision of the universe. If every effect has a cause, and every cause is itself the effect of a previous cause, in an unbroken chain that stretches back to the Big Bang, where does our ability to choose fit in? This enigma inevitably intertwines with the mystery of consciousness and with the strangeness of quantum mechanics. Quantum theory tells us that at the smallest scales of reality, particles do not follow deterministic laws, but probabilistic ones. An electron can be in multiple states at the same time until it is observed. And it is here that some scientists see a possible loophole for free will. Could it be that our decisions are influenced by quantum processes taking place inside our brain? Recent experiments are beginning to explore this fascinating possibility. One of the most revolutionary ideas comes from the so-called free will theorem, formulated by mathematicians John Conway and Simon Kochen. According to this theorem, if humans possess free will, then elementary particles must also share a form of it. In other words, the universe itself would be imbued with freedom at its very foundations. This idea may sound bizarre, but it has pushed physics to ask increasingly radical questions. At the same time, experiments with quantum computers are allowing us to simulate scenarios that were once unthinkable. Machines that exploit superposition and entanglement may one day help us reveal whether freedom is an illusion or a fundamental feature of reality. But let's be careful. The debate is far from closed. Many scientists argue that quantum mechanics, while indeterminate, does not automatically guarantee free will. Randomness, after all, is not the same as freedom. The fact that something happens without a predetermined cause does not mean it is a conscious choice. Nevertheless, the encounter between neuroscience and quantum physics is opening doors that could revolutionize our understanding of the mind. Studies suggest that quantum effects might play a role in brain processes, although this is still highly debated. If proven, it would mean that our thoughts and choices are literally connected to the fundamental structure of the universe. Imagine the implications. Free will would not just be a human illusion, but a cosmic principle. A bridge between the laws of physics and the mystery of consciousness. We are still at the beginning of this journey, and perhaps we will never have definitive answers. But the very fact that we are able to question ourselves, to investigate, to wonder whether we are free or not, may already be the greatest proof of our freedom. So, what do you think? Is free will real, or is it just a comforting illusion created by our brain? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to continue exploring together the mysteries of the universe.